So we are still in the month of June, and we are still sticking with the theme, foods that can sit out at a picnic and they're not gonna spoil. Today, we're gonna start with a finger food, Philly cheesesteak, but in an egg roll. Let's just start cooking. First thing we're gonna do is slice up some onions. This is gonna be the most time-consuming part of this recipe, caramelizing onions. Ugh, you cannot be an impatient person if you wanna caramelize onions. If you've ever caramelized onions, more is better, only because they shrink up. So when you think you have enough, do a couple more. I'm only making 6 little egg rolls today. You know what, make as many as you need. If you're going to a party, you need to make a dozen, just incorporate that much more ingredients. Provolone cheese, shaved roast beef, wonton wrappers. Just decide how many you wanna make and go from there. I'm gonna throw these in my pan, but I should probably turn that pan on. Oh, onions just smell so good, don't they? They just smell so good. While they are at this stage, I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt and pepper to them. That is the only seasoning that I'm gonna put on them today because got a little secret ingredient over there that we're gonna add to them. A little salt, a little pepper. Oh, simply cool things. Hope you saw that episode. These are phenomenal, phenomenal little kitchen tools. Well, you know what? Those are softening up beautiful. So let's get them to the caramelize stage. Some butter. We're gonna go ahead and let that melt first. And once the butter melts and I add the secret ingredient, all right, it's vermouth, okay? It's not a secret anymore. I just told you what it is. And add a little bit of vermouth. The liquid, obviously the alcohol is gonna cook out, but the vermouth, that liquid is going to help soften those onions up even more. In goes the vermouth. Now we're gonna turn our heat down, let them go. They're gonna cook easily. We are looking at about probably 10 to 15 minutes to get those caramelized. So right now, go sit down, put your feet up, have a glass of wine, whatever you need to do, just don't go too far. Come back here and we'll continue going. Our onions are done. We're just gonna take these out and put them into a bowl. Let's get wrapping. Wrapper, provolone cheese, da beef. Can't go wrong with beef, right? More of da beef, onion, wet and roll. I want a little bit of that goodness to stick out the ends because then what happens, we're gonna shallow fry it. These ends are gonna get a nice little crispiness to them. You don't need to watch me do the rest of them, so I'll meet you when I'm done. I've got my pan going. We're gonna go ahead and add the oil now. We're gonna do just a shallow fry. If you've got a deep fryer, again, throw them through your deep fryer, but toothpick them. Otherwise they might break open. Doing them in a pan, I can put them seam side down so it'll seal while they cook. I wanna get this up to about 350. We're good to go. We're gonna go ahead and just put them in. Oh, there's that sizzle you want. Now everything in there is pre-cooked, so all we're going for is a nice golden brown all the way around. Shouldn't take more than a couple of few minutes. And if you are using like raw steak that you've thinly sliced, it's okay too, it's beef. It's going to cook up fairly quickly in here. Those are golden brown. I'm just gonna flip them over. You know what? These guys are done. And there you have it. Another one for your party, your picnic, your barbecue, whatever you do in the summertime. There's another quick and easy finger food for you. Remember, through the month of June, I'm gonna be giving them a bunch to you. Coming at you pretty fast. Try to keep up. Should we see what they look like? Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Cuts beautifully. Oh, the cheese is melted perfectly. Perfectly. Let me turn that one around. And you've got those crispy bits on the end. Oh, fantastic. Here we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You see that little cheese swoop? Mmm. Wow. You know what? If somebody tells you they want a dipping sauce for that, you tell them no. It is not needed. It is not necessary. That is a Philly cheesesteak. That is exactly what you would expect a Philly cheesesteak to taste like right there. Simple, quick, easy. It's delicious. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye. Oh, hey, be sure to click one of these other links that we got up. Might take you to another June episode to make your party, picnic, barbecue a little more successful. Thanks. Bye.